Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily convert any PDF document to a text document. Let's begin. So you can actually use Adobe Acrobat, the free version, on Windows 10 or 11. Go ahead, open up Acrobat on your Windows. Go on menu over here, click on Open, choose your PDF document. And from here, just make sure to double check everything before you proceed. All right. So go back on the menu option over here, click on it. You will now notice you will have the option to select Save as Text. This will be the easiest way we can do this. All right. So click on it, select the appropriate folder on your drive, and here it will actually and automatically select and save as type as a text document. So I'm going to save it over here. It's done. I'm going to minimize this and check my downloads folder, right? And there you go. It is now a text document. You can easily open this on Notepad and it is done. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.